Hey people, as you all can see, we are in this park in front of our house. Oh God, we should encourage them to run on the grass. Put him on the grass, Ayush. Put her on the grass. Ayush, where is this guy? She's running so fast. And there is that Theo. Tara ma, क्यों भाग रही है? Tucky is my favorite, Ayush. We should be like Tucky. Just sit in one place and chill. And that lady is running in every direction possible running. But really, yeah, we need like a lot of energy to chase after 4 rabbits running in different directions. Ayush, Jengis, Ayush. God. Thank you. Oh, she's running. She's running. How cute it looks, Ayush. And where is this guy? Ayush, I'm most worried for him, you know. Theo, where is Theo?